Good morning. This is Robin Fertel, licensed marriage and family therapist, and of course, my little Leroy. So here's therapy tip of the day. If you're in therapy, it is super important that the goal of therapy is for always the end goal being unity amongst mothers, fathers, sisters, brothers, marriages, girlfriends, boyfriends. Unity is the goal, unless of course there is abuse. Many people that I talk to come into me from therapy that has actually caused a lot of division in their family, because it is difficult. You're sometimes bringing up old memories of childhood trauma or people that have hurt you in your family. And so it is very important that you wait till therapy is completed or have a therapy session with that family member before you go and confront them, because it is dangerous. It is not supposed to be for division. So that is my tip for the day. We always want unification and love and bringing people together, and therapy should do that.